Hello everybody, Max Shargold, aka the Shotgun Legend. Yeah, I actually changed it, so yeah, because I legend with the shotgun. Anyway, welcome. I actually had something to show you. Yeah, last time I posted a video, I shown you my favourite shotgun, the R870 in gold. Now I've got a KSG in gold, and I have a CAD 40 just in case everything goes horribly wrong. So I'm actually gonna do some killing with the KSG, because you have to be exactly pinpoint on your target. Like, you have to keep the aim onto them and then you have to shoot, because the range and the accuracy is flipping brilliant. It's a little bit better than the R870. Oh damn it, wrong one. Oh yeah, I also have a sniper in gold.
The jet cleared. It's go time.
Okay, thanks for that, mate. Now you're gonna die. Oh my lord! Okay, he's actually gonna die at some point. God. And bear in mind, this is actually a little bit glitchy, so there might be a lot of lag. I don't know, because my connection is pretty rubbish. Come on.
We've taken control.
What the heck, dude? God, they always stay in the same point every time. Damn it. Finally, quick draw. Come on, reload quicker. And bear in mind, this actually does shoot slugs, so that's exactly why you have to be exactly onto them. Oh my god! I really hate that gun, it's so annoying. I don't know how people can get good at that. I'm just so used to shotguns. Very used to them. Right. Come on. Don't you idiot, come on! I don't know how they keep shooting me through the walls. I only have 5 on, but how can he still see me? Oh wow, that didn't even hit him. Go, 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 go! Oh my god! You couldn't see me! You couldn't see me! That's exactly why people suck. There we go. Mum, I'm recording. There we go. Dead. Dead. Oh my lord! Okay. That was very pleasant. Whoa, what the, what? What hog? I don't even know what it is. Whoa, what? Lord above. Very, very irritating. Oh wow, they won for flipping backfire. How could he even see him? I don't get it. Every time people just... I don't get it. I just don't get it. How can they actually kill him even though they flipping can't? Oh, damn it. Quick draw. Oh, I really want to get diamonds. But for that, you didn't have to get diamonds, you just basically have to get gold for every single type of gun. Like, if you want, for instance, a diamond While for the assault shield, you just basically had to get gold. What it is mainly. So basically, you had to get like gold for every single type of these guns. I just wanted to say like get all the gold. For instance, if you want to get all these and then you had to get them all gold. So that's what it is. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Hopefully, they don't flipping hack like always. Because actually I've got quick draw, but I still have to get the that rapid fire that shoots 4 bullets.
Team deathmatch.
Okay. But I can't remember the name for it because it is quite confusing. I still have to get the S12 in gold. And for that, you have to be very good at this game.
Light has been given. Move.
Come on. Come on. Okay, for me, you have to like go around here, like go around this side, then second like that. He's dead. Dead. No.
Taking the advantage.
I'm absolutely loving this.
UAV awaiting orders.
Oh my god, I'm beasting them. I already have a UAV. Let me just reload quickly. Damn, I missed. Didn't that time. Go on, this. Could be sick.
Lightning strike on standby.
Lightning strike. And obviously lightning strikes are actually very useful, so that way you can actually also cause damage from range. Whoa! Wait! That's my first death! Okay, let me just do them random, because they do move. Come on. Did I get any? 1.
Hellstorm missile inbound.
Okay, a Hellstorm missile. Holy!
Hunter killer drone deployed.
Okay, that's irrelevant, I guess. Oh god. Yeah. God. And of course, the other shotguns I use, like other pumps, like the R870, because that is also a pump.
He's gone.
Okay, I do see a guy up there. He's going up here. Look, you see his dot.
Reload.
Whoa! Wait, just wait, just wait. That's irrelevant, I guess, sir. Exactly why I don't run around with a pistol. Because 1, they barely do any damage, apart from the executor now. And 2, whoa! This is kind of a long-range shotgun. Why do you have to stand? Best place to stand, bruh? Oh my! Man, that's to prove
We've taken the
how
lead.
irritating this is. And the answer is very. But why do you have to stand there? But I have a good gun. I don't have to stay behind you. What? Wait. Oh, God.
We've lost control.
Wait. What? What? Oh.
Be advised,
If you play this game,
Sat online.
then you'll be able to know why did he hide in the most ridiculous places as possible?
K9 unit in your AO.
God. Headshot.
Timeline in jeopardy.
And of course I have like actually pressed to use this gun, so stupid! I hate C4 so much! I hate them! I hate them so much! Oh my... Wait, what? Wait! That was a 100 kilo drone on their side is already gone! So, how is that possible? Oh shoot, that scared me. Wait, I did not die 14 times! I didn't die 14 times! It felt like I died like 6. It felt like I died like 6. And who could get that much flipping... Oh, what? That was a swarm? That was a swarm? What? He didn't say that it was a swarm, it said it was on a killer drone. What? That is crazy. That is ridiculous. It never said that there was a swarm. If you did hear that, I might have been talking whilst it said that. I don't know. If you hear that, let me know. I have no idea what happened. I have flipping no idea what happened. That was so weird. Said that was a highly killer drone, not a flipping swarm. Okay, God. Okay, I'm gonna do one more round, then I'm gonna end the video. Oh, damn it. How many kills have I got this gun again? How? Okay, I got over 1,000 kills. Yeah. That's to prove how much I love like low fire rated guns. Like, I don't really like semi-automatics. They just like make me feel weird. I'm just not used to keeping my finger on the trigger. I'm just used to like tapping it. I mean, I do that in zombies, like Black Ops Zombies. I really wish you could get the KSG in there. That'll be sick. But anyway, damn it. Overflow, really. This is kind of a shotgun map, but you have to be like really good.
Team deathmatch.
Oh, I thought I spawned on the other side. Then I was like, what? Where is everyone? Oh, there you go. Okay, let's go.
Clean.
Yeah, we're gonna try to get in and out clean. I mean, we're gonna die a million times, so who cares? Okay, let's go. Holy what? A hammer? A hammer, dude. A hammer, really? You had to go for a very good gun, and instead you decided to go for a flipping 75 bullet holding gun. God. Okay, I just basically caused that guy to commit suicide. I mean,
we've taken control.
God. Go.
UAV inbound. On me.
Okay.
We're losing this fight.
Let me just reload quickly.
We've taken the
There
advantage.
we go. Someone just died. Wait, what? Really? Really, dude? Really? You had to be like that? Oh, there's actually someone up there.
We've lost control.
Oh. God. Oh my God. I hate suppressors. I hate them. That's exactly why I don't use them. It's one that causes the range to go down. I know it keeps you off the radar, but it's just fucking ridiculous.
Hostile UAV above. We've pulled forward.
Okay, that wasn't even a headshot. That was like right in the chest.
Survive! I'm an enemy.
Dead. Got Avenger. Not
We're
as
losing this
in
fight.
Avengers like Captain America. Wait. Oh damn, I'm screwed. I'm dead. I'm dead. Really? Gay Cooper killed me? Why? Because he's gay and his surname's Cooper? That's just very weird. Okay, just because I feel like it,
UAV incoming.
because I'm a mental moron. Get owned by 5-7 backfire. Oh my! A Scorpion Evo, really?
Be advised,
Come on, I
UAV is online.
God, I love the shotgun. It's so amazing. Even though the accuracy is not exactly as good as the RX-70. You idiot! You idiot! You massive! Oh. Oh my! Oi! I saw you grab that! I saw that! I'm not blind! I saw you grab my KSG! I saw you grab my KSG and someone on my side for apparently using it. I mean, actually, if you think about it, if you're overpowered with shotguns, like me, then you'll be able to actually do... What the hell? I hate it when people steal the kill. Damn it. I always try to risk up stuff that ain't exactly going to happen. Get out of the way! Jesus Christ! Okay, why the hell did you do that for? I hate RPGs. I hate them. I flipping hate them. They're just... It's...
Mission almost complete. Don't quit now.
Don't you fucking dare. Backfire. From the first assault rifle you get when you first start the game. Oh my! Why couldn't he commit suicide? He was that close and then he killed me, but why didn't he die? That was supposed to be whatever it is made his mistakes, like committing suicide. No, you son of a... Okay.
Pretty, but you got it done. Good job.
Yeah, God. I don't know why, but if you play this game and people... Okay, that took a while. But if you play this game and you go on this map, I hate it. I flipping hate it. But you know, if you play this game, then you'll know how I feel. Irritated. Very, very irritated. You are not even gonna have to quit. That. Okay, one more attachment, then I got the second part. But if you flipping play this game and then someone nicks your gun, then you get so pissed. You get so flipping pissed. If you get that, then yeah, nothing you can do about it. Anyway, I'm about done. I'm gonna wrap up. See you guys later. Peace out.